Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Lakshya, mute your mic, beta. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Once again, a very good morning to all of you. As I was asking few questions from you all verbally, as you all know that today is the CET of chapter number 3. Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I had made the pattern.
Very good. You show us.
A minute, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Dhyan Dalan. Dhyan Dana, if
Yes,
if the length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter, what will be the perimeter of that rectangle? Length is 4, breadth is 2. Anya Mittal, Dhyan, you just think and give me the answer. By the time I'll ask the question from Anya. Anya, I'm asking few questions verbally, as you know that today is the CET of this chapter.
ma'am, what was the question?
Length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter. Which figure is this?
Rectangle.
So find the perimeter of this rectangle. Anya, can you hear me? Is Anya there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you
Anya,
are showing.
no, I'm not
Ma'am,
showing
you are showing
anything.
presentation.
No,
Ma'am,
no.
answer is 10 centimeter.
10 centimeter. Just check.
Ma'am,
Then,
I joined at 10:30, so I don't know what's going on.
I'm just asking few questions verbally. As you all know that today is the CET of this chapter. Are you all prepared? Confident? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
In
I'm
case,
visible.
yeah, visible. Children, listen. 9:35, you will get the Google form in the classroom. You open the Google form from the classroom at 9:35, not before. It will be posted at 9:35 in the classroom, but once I will announce that now you have to open, then only you have to open. Before that, you are not allowed to open the Google form. Am I clear with you all? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Till that, I will ask few questions verbally from you all. So, as I was asking Anya, there is a figure. The
Ma'am, can
side.
you?
Wait a minute, Samriddhi. The figure is the side is given. Side is 4 centimeter. What will be the perimeter of that figure? Which figure is this if only one side is given?
One square.
Square. So what will be the perimeter?
One side centimeter is what?
4 centimeter.
4 centimeter. 16
16 what?
centi. 16 centimeter.
Only 16 centimeter. It's a, I told area, no? Perimeter. Perimeter told. Yes, yes. Then centimeter. Yes, Khush. Khush Ahuja. Same, there is a square. The side of a square is 6 centimeter. What will be the area of that square? Your mic is mute, Kush. Kush, still your mic is mute. You are not audible to me. Is Kush audible to everyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So
No,
those
ma'am.
Kush, please check your mic. Children, those who are joining now, I will again repeat. You have your CET today, chapter number 3. How many squares? In this chapter, we have learned area, perimeter, how to find the missing length. After finding the missing length, how to find the perimeter of that figure. Am I clear with you all? And then you need to attempt. Yes, Kush Ahujale. Leave and join. Yes, I want to see Samriddhi is showing us she has created a pattern with the bricks. Yes, not with the bricks, the tiles she had created. Yes, show me.
Yeah, ma'am. See.
But this, if you see this tile pattern, you have used a different color, or if you see the
No,
this
ma'am. I
gap.
had in this pattern. It's having like up down triangles are filled, and then side by side triangles are filled like this.
But the space which is given in the light pink color is the blank space.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
But
ma'am.
tiling is not possible with the blank space.
Okay.
Okay, when you see a floor tiling, wall tiling, washroom in the bathroom tiling, you see, no, there is no space in between the tilings. Okay.
And I was having one more pattern here. It's triangles. Then it's
Yeah.
having.
But you can say the light color is also the style is used. Then it's okay.
In this
If
it's
light,
colored. In this pattern had been colored, but in this it was not colored.
okay. So just make it a point that when you are making a tiling pattern, you just observe at your home also on the floors, on walls, in the bathroom walls. You will see the tiling patterns is different. Yes, there is no gap in between the tiling. They have arranged the tiling in such a way that there is, then only the tiling will be strong. If you just leave the gap in between, whether you will, if the floor, on the floor tiling is there is a gap, will you able to walk on that, or will they fit it properly?
No, ma'am, we will fall down.
Yes. And always remember, as I told you, when the four tiles or the three tiles mix together and make a pattern in the center, 360-degree angle will be made. The complete angle will be made. Then the arrangement of the tiles is proper. So which figures will make a 360-degree angle, that is you need to assume and see, right? Okay, now it's 9:35. I am going to show you the link also here on the screen, but link is already posted in the classroom. Please go to the classroom, open the link, and don't forget to turn in the form. If you turn in, means it will not show you the missing. Okay, once you attempt submit, after that please turn in, do turn in also. Are you all able to open the Google form in the classroom? Is there any child facing difficulty opening from the classroom?
No, ma'am.
Not that.
Ma'am, it is not there.
It will come within 1 or 2 minutes.
It's not work.
It will come within 1 or 2 minutes. Okay.
Ma'am, now it has came.
Let
Yes.
me see your let me see your classroom.
We just have to mark as done.
Ma'am, it came now. Ma'am, now it came.
Yes. Yes. You will just do mark as done.
We just have to mark as done.
Yes. Is everyone is able to open the Google form?
Mine is not come.
Yes, ma'am.
Rahil, please refresh your classroom. Rahil, can you hear me, Rahil?
Yes, ma'am.
Please go from there. Is there any child who's not able to log in? Yash Desai, Khevna, Rudra, Guna, Daksh Patel, please turn on your camera. Is there any difficulty when you turn in?
Ma'am, I wasn't in the classroom. That's why my camera was off.
Okay.
Ma'am, I was in another tab. If we do the CT, we are going in another tab. This tab will close and replace
Okay,
the.
okay, I understood, Khevna. Is there any child facing difficulty to log into the Google form? I will present here also and will explain you. If you need pen, pencil, notebook to do some
Ma'am, we
rough
can
work,
start
please
doing
keep.
Google form or not?
Yes, yes, yes. Now start doing. Vivan Balchandani, it is there in the classroom. Go from classroom. I'm going to present my link and you can see here. I'm going to show you and explain you if there any difficulty in any of the question. Can you all see my screen? Can you all see my screen? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Calculate the perimeter of a square with the side 5 centimeter is given. You need to find the perimeter. Calculate the perimeter of a rectangle with the length 8 centimeter and the breadth 3 centimeter. Both the perimeters are there. Please remember what formula, what method you will use to find out the perimeter. Which of the following shape cannot be used for tiling? Find the perimeter of the given figure. You can see in this figure all the lengths are given, so it will be easy to find out the perimeter. But when you go down, find the area of the given figure. In the question number 5, mute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
Ma'am,
Migda.
doubt.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
please ask.
in the sixth one, what does square unit means? What?
1 square is 1 square unit. Find the area of this figure in square unit.
Ma'am,
Means
and so I have to only count the purple ones.
no, internal ones, the figure. Got it?
We have to send the return book also.
Listen here carefully, mute yourself for a minute, everyone. In the sixth one, you need to count the area of the internal one, the orange one which is shaded. Got it, everyone? The orange one, area of the orange figure, not the outside figure. Yes or no? Show me thumbs up. Please tell me yes or no, students. Are you all clear with the sixth one? Okay. Next, the seventh one, also the internal figure, the area of the given triangle. You need to find out the area of the given triangle.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, fourth one is wrong.
Let me see. What it is
Yes, ma'am.
coming? Wait a minute. Let me check. Let me check the answer and then I will let you know. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I will change in the this one. Wait, I will stop presentation. By the time you do the other questions. And please, as I was saying in the sixth one, you need to find the area of the squares which are given internal, like orange one. Seventh one, the area of the triangle. Eighth one, also the area of the blue figure, not the outside tiles. Ninth one, you know it's a irregular shape. How to find the area of this irregular shape? And 10th one, find the area of the given figure triangle. Again, in this also the triangle. Got it, everyone? Yes or no, my dear students? You need to give the response when teacher is asking something. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Let me check the fourth one. By the time you children, please do it. Mute yourself, please.
Five plus two. 5 plus 2.
Whose mic is on?
Ma'am,
Yes.
you have changed already the fourth one.
No. Let me see.
Yeah, ma'am, because I'm on fourth.
By the time you children, please do the other questions. Don't stick with the fourth one. Let me check the fourth answer.
Worksheet.
Yes, Migdal?
Can I submit my worksheet?
Yes, please submit. And then don't sit simply, start writing tables. Start writing tables in your notebooks. Those who have completed, they please start writing tables in their notebooks.
Ma'am, there's been a mistake in the third one.
I am checking. Wait a
Can
minute.
I
I'm
do
checking.
that?
I'm checking all the answers. So by the time, please be quiet, everyone.
No, ma'am. It's not like that. When I submitted the worksheet, the options are hexagon, square, and triangle. And now they are hexagon, pentagon, and triangle.
No, pentagon only in the form. Hexagon was not there. Sorry, hexagon was not there. Pentagon only was there. Hexagon, pentagon, and triangle. No square.
Ma'am, in the question, hexagon is there.
Yeah, hexagon only there.
Ma'am, the fourth one is wrong.
Children, you all have different time you to click. As I am saying, I am checking the answer of the fourth one by the time you do the other sums. This is common instruction for everyone. I am checking the answer of the fourth one by the time you children, please do the other questions.
So, ma'am, we have to not write the answer.
No, don't write. Once I will say you, then you can write. Children, answer 4 is right. Maybe you are doing wrong calculation. Answer
Ma'am,
4 is correct. Yes, Anya.
Ma'am, my fourth one is right.
Yes, answer 4th is correct. There is no mistake.
Ma'am,
Do it again if you are doing some mistake in that.
and the fifth one is definitely wrong.
The eighth one options are wrong.
Possible of it coming.
Ma'am, the eighth one options are wrong.
No, no options are wrong. As I told you, you need to find the area of the blue part, not the purple one. No options are wrong. All the answers are correct. Please pay attention and do the answer carefully. Got it, Trisha, now?
Ma'am, then what is 3 written over there?
In the, which one?
Eighth one.
That is the sum number. You don't need to see the 3, 2, 1. You need to only find the area of the shaded portions. Orange one in the orange one, and then the triangle, then the different blue one. Okay. Yes, Dhyan Dalal.
Ma'am, in the fifth one, you have to find the perimeter.
What it is written in the question, Dhyan? Read the question carefully.
Yes, 1 second. Find the area of the
So if area is given, then how you will find the perimeter?
Ma'am, I was not telling of perimeter. I was telling of we have to find the missing.
Yes, after missing only it is possible for you to find the area.
Okay.
Pay little attention. Just you have to give 5 to 10 minutes and then it will be easy for you to find out. Gunav Gura,
Yes, ma'am.
are you doing it by yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Man,
Yes.
and the fifth one is wrong.
Megdad, I will check. I will check it manually, okay? If it is wrong.
Incorrect.
You do whatever you understood.
Ma'am, in the sixth question, we have to find the purple ones or which is not purple ones.
No, what is the figure? Purple is not the figure. Purple is the boundary given to you. Figure
Okay,
inside it says orange one, blue one, which is shaded one.
Yeah.
In the eighth one, you need to find out the area of the blue. In the seventh one, you need to find out the area of a triangle. In the sixth one, you need to find out the area of this orange, which is shaded. Tenth one also, you need to find out the area of a triangle. Don't get yourself confused.
Ma'am,
Yes, Megda.
ma'am, you said after finishing the CET, you have to write the tables. So which
Yes.
tables?
From 15 to 20.
Which?
15 to 20.
Okay.
And I have, no, let it do. Ridan, are you doing? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I had a doubt in the CET.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I don't remember the question. एक second. I will. Wait a minute.
Sorry, Ayush, you are not audible to me. Yes, Ayush, can you repeat?
Ma'am, question number 6.
Write in the chat box. Ayush, write in the chat box. A lot of disturbance is coming.
Ma'am, no, it will not echo. Actually, I have my notepad right beside me. I'm saying that in question number 6, we have to find the area of the shaded part that I know.
Mm.
But there is a 1 written on the.
No need to see that one. It's a figure number.
Okay. So everything is 1 square centimeter only, right?
But here you don't have units in the options. Yes, everything is 1 square.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
I can see here many of you have submitted, but I will suggest those who score 5, 6, 7, they need to do a lot of practice. Anya Mittal, you are there in the class? Anya?
Yes.
So you can see your scores. So please start doing these sums in your notebook also.
Okay.
We will discuss in the coming class, our next class, all the answers. By the time you please solve them in your notebook also.
Okay, ma'am.
Anna Agarwal, you too also. Please solve them in your notebooks.
What, ma'am?
Solve the questions which are wrong. Solve them in your notebook properly again.
Okay, ma'am.
Aryaman Sangai? Aryaman, you are there in the class? Don't write marks in the chat box, please. Karna, your some questions are wrong, right? Do them again in the notebook properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't write marks, your scores in the chat box. Ridhan, your 3 questions are wrong. Please do them in the notebook. Children, today you are going to get the QR code activity link in the classroom today. Chapter number 3, QR code activity, which every time we get, with the related with every chapter. Today also you will get the activity which is related with this chapter. You will get 4 to 5 quizzes. You please attempt them. And then the last page, you will get your scores. Click the picture of the last page and please send it to me. Attach your class page there. Got it, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to present my screen and show you the QR code activity. Please pay attention here. Can you all see my page?
Yes, ma'am.
This type of activity you will get. First you click on this, wait. This is the first page, go to the next, click here. Then you start getting the questions. And then after this answer, go to the next one. Same way, go to the next one solving this. This way there are 7 to 8 questions are there. After this, you will get this last page, right? And on the last page, you will get your scores. See, once you do this, you will get the scores on the last page. Please click the picture of this last page and attach your work in that link where you will get the QR code activity. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Show me thumbs up if you all are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Your scoreboard page picture I want in that activity.
Ma'am, fifth is not understanding.
Fifth one.
Yes.
Fifth is very easy. You need to find out the perimeter only. It is
Yes,
very
ma'am.
easy. Got it now? Fifth
Yes.
one or the fourth one? Fifth one.
Ma'am,
Fifth one.
fifth one.
No, in the fifth one, you need to find out first of all the missing lens. Then you need to find out the area. If you have attended the class, then you easily do. Otherwise, I'll explain in the next class. Yes. Yes,
Okay, Ma'am, my doubt was that the question number, I don't know. It's after all the three question 5, 6, and question number 9. So in question number 9, you said the answer was approximately. So my answer was approximate and it's showing wrong.
But in this, you can get the accurate also.
Ma'am,
We
but
have done.
it's just from one,
I
I
will-
don't know how.
No problem. I will check it up manually. Okay. Because here the options are also given approximately, so we cannot click the answers. No, if the answer exactly is 24, so you cannot say my answer is 25 is right. Because the options also given approximately. All the 3 options are approximately
Yes,
nearby.
ma'am, all the 3 options are approximately, but I got something. Maybe you count. I counted something that you didn't.
Let
Maybe
me
that's something.
let me check. I will check it manually. No problem.
Yes. I'm saying because I did check very closely in the iPad, so I didn't know even a slit bit if words were out on it. So I counted right accurately.
I will check it. No problem. Main thing is if the concept is clear, then it's good. Samriddhi, I want you to come at your place, please. Samriddhi. Sit.
Ma'am, I also counted 24.
To drink water.
Okay. Yes, I will check it manually. Don't worry about this.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me see how many of you have submitted.
Ma'am, can I leave?
No. Now, yes, now you can leave. You know, na, today is yoga day.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
International Yoga Day. You have to attend your regular class. Go to your regular class at 10:15.
Ma'am, I not understand second and fifth.
We will discuss in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, I also fifth.
Ma'am,